Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to use the reachability feature on your iPhone. I will show you an example of this. So I'm going to go to the bottom of my iPhone, the edge of the screen, and swipe down. And the top half of the screen goes to the bottom. And to put it back to normal, hit the arrow in the dark part. I'll show you again. Swipe the edge at the bottom of your phone. And you see that dark arrow at the top in the dark part of your screen. Hit on that to push it back up. And to turn this feature on or off, go to the settings, go to accessibility, go to touch, and over here, reachability, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. Turn it off, and turn it back on. And that's how you can use reachability to easily reach the apps that are at the top of your screen on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, take care.